Are you a 3 everyday mom? A significant number of children and adolescents fall short of the calcium they need. Researchers suggest consuming just 3 servings every day of milk, cheese, or yogurt to help reduce body weight and body fat. Milk contributes the most calcium and protein per 100 calories and per penny, making milk a nutrient-rich and cost-effective component for meals. Don't compromise your family's calcium intake, decrease their risk of fracture, and build lifelong healthy habits. Become a 3 everyday mom today. It's easy as 1, 2, 3.
Here's what's been going on so far. We filed our petition, and of course, Coonsey and the commissioners decided they wanted it dismissed. So we had a hearing today where we came in with our response, and of course, it's pretty much like anything here in Pahrump. Of course, they said, "Oh, we're going to dismiss it." Lane did. But it was all sort of preliminary. We have to do this step to move it a little bit further up.
Dismiss what?
My petition or my lawsuit against them to get them to apologize and take it back. Oh, no, they're not going to do that. So they had Coonsey, I guess apparently they think the taxpayers have just pockets full of money that they can spend on this. And so they said they wanted our petition or our lawsuit dismissed. So he went in today, and Judge Lane was the judge, and he was able to get it dismissed, although I thought Nancy had a much better argument, but he kind of took this approach. He didn't really understand the law, so he just sort of let Coonsey decide, and that's how it ended.
So your case was dismissed. Where do you go from here now?
Well, there's a couple of things. We were talking to Nancy afterwards, Daniel and I were, and she was talking about a couple of things, but not being an attorney, I'd probably either not pronounce them correctly or not know what they are. But she noted a couple of things in there that we might refile here, and then otherwise we're going to federal court. In fact, Lane suggested, I get the impression he doesn't want to get involved a little bit. But still, he did suggest that, or mention it, I shouldn't say suggest, that we can file a civil case, for defamation. I mean, between the stress, the emotional, sleepless nights, the fear of driving up the road because of threats from the sheriff. I mean, this is all took a toll on me and my family and, work and, the people that I work. I can't let it go, or they'll think they can walk on anybody.